Today we're gonna do unboxing of ultra thin smart case for AirPod Max. So I bought from Amazon, and I want to share my experience with you. So as you can see, it's a very thin smart case for my AirPods. The reason why I'm buying this case is because the case for AirPod Max, I think, is not very protective, let's say like that. So as you can see, it's very well packed. Built-in magnet as well for a ultra low power state. As you can see, it's brand new, and we're opening just now. Feels good quality, to be honest. And it's written, as you can see, case for AirPods Max. Let's open to see what is inside. Wow, that's impressive. Feels really, really nice. So here we have magnets. Yeah, you can feel it's just to keep my AirPods in ultra low power state, just to save battery as much as I can. It's really nice. As you can see, it's high quality. Now we can close the case. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment my videos, and just take care. Bye bye.